The crypto vote is very important for this year election. We have Harris, we have Trump, and today we have some rumors that maybe Donald Trump is going to be on the conference Bitcoin 2024. Maybe Harris is going to be also there. Do you want to know everything about that and the rest of the news in the crypto sphere? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Mask with your host for the most here, Rodrigo Arnedo. And today we are telling you that the market is in the green as we record, but you see Ethereum in the red, and this is quite strange because we are celebrating the Ethereum ETF day. Spot Ethereum ETFs are now live in United States. That's awesome news, but for the price of Ethereum, which is just flat right now. Why is this happening? Well, remember we told you in previous videos that when we had Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin ETFs, we went down for 15 days and then we started going up with Bitcoin price action. So we might do the same as we did. Of course, Ethereum was following the price action of Bitcoin as always does mostly. So right now, if we picture what happened with Ethereum at that point, even though it's quite different right now, it's not Bitcoin ETFs going live, but Ethereum ETFs going live. Well, we can go all the way down to 2,800 according to this. Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. And then we might go up to 5,500. That would be awesome. That would be September at some point or October. Remember, we believe that the last quarter of this year is going to be amazing. What do you think about that? Leave a comment below. It's amazing all the way we've been through together. Remember, 10 years ago was Ethereum ICO, and right now Ethereum went all the way up and developed all what it has developed. It was 22nd July 2024 when we had that ICO, and it had more than $18 million. This was the most successful ICO at its time. And we are all the way up 3,000%. If you bought that ICO, congratulations. Probably you are rich right now. These are the ETFs that are going to compete in Ethereum. You have different names from Grayscale, BlackRock, Fidelity. Of course, those are ETH, Fed, SED. So which one is going to be the winner? Right now, of course, BlackRock is the one. We had a great first day for those Ethereum ETFs. The inflow is 590 million and the outflow is 484 million. So the net inflow is 106 million. The supply increase of Ethereum consider this year was 155 million. So demand in one day almost the same as supply in 2024. You can see that in ultrasound money. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below to this site, and you can see the Ethereum supply and if we are inflationary or deflationary, etc., etc. And it's interesting to know that Bitwise announced the addresses publicly and set the ENS subnames for each address, so you can follow with a very transparent way what's going on with these ETFs. Also remember this tool, Arkham. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below, and there you have all those addresses that you can follow, even though I will tell you here from Balchunas and some others that will sum up that for us. It is good to know that BlackRock website is leaning into Ethereum ETF launch now. They have these announcements. They want you to access Ethereum, and they even release a new video for investors, a new advertisement telling you why it's a good idea buying some Ethereum. The ecosystem of Ethereum was going up yesterday, but today it's going down, like Lido, Ethereum Classic, or of course ENS was up 15% yesterday. Today is 5% down. So you never know what's going to happen in the market, of course. Any case, if the Bitcoin ETF taught us anything, the first few days could be a bit shaky. With Sheldon News fighting, it's still early. I would ignore the first couple of weeks after Ethereum ETF launch. We'll see the effects in months, not days. That's from Rec Builder. And just consider that all those ETFs of Bitcoin are being bought like crazy. US Bitcoin ETF saw 530 million in inflows yesterday, the highest in over 7 weeks. BlackRock, the highest inflow, and this is some kind of record again. Just BlackRock, it's different, and now they want Ethereum, so they might bought it all. BlackRock had 19.4 billion inflows since launching in January. Yesterday, 526 million inflow was the biggest single day in 88 days of trading. So crazy. And now we have the Bitcoin conference tomorrow. Are you mentally prepared for that? That's the other very important piece of information today. Breaking, like they say in No Agenda. Kamala Harris could speak at the upcoming Bitcoin conference, according to Fox News. If Kamala agrees to speak at the conference, it could be one of the biggest showdowns for the upcoming presidential race. Harris versus Trump. Who you got? More and more publications out there saying that they are making their minds today according to or related to if Harris is going to attend or not this conference. They want the crypto bro vote. Very interesting if she was there. This is a crypto election, of course, and you can follow Bitcoin 2024 stream. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below if you want. Again, I will sum up it for you as always. Mark Cuban said that Kamala Harris' staff reached him to know more about crypto. So they want to know, they want that vote. You see here, Kamala just dancing because she wants all those votes. And from Mark Vidal, I told you that Donald Trump would give you the opportunity of having a picture with him in that conference. Probably Kamala want the same because this is $60,000. But if you want to be in the same table, it would be like 80,000 or more. Crazy, close to a million. Yeah, you see here, round table is 844,600 per person. So he's making a lot of money out there. Not 80,000, but 800, close to a million. Sorry for my math confusions always. And more huge information out there. China cuts interest rates with 0.25. And this is amazing because this is money flowing into the market from China. But also remember that we have expectations for this to happen here, maybe next week, just 7 days away, or maybe even in September the 18th, 19th in the conference. Jerome Powell can say USA is going to cut the rates. We'll see about that when we are just 57 days away of that moment and 104 days away from election time. So with all this, you might say that Bitcoin should be higher. We are going up today, but yesterday was not a good day. Even though miners are nearing profitable again, with average Bitcoin mine cost at 69,510 and trading around 67, relieving the horizon for miners. When you see them using Bitcoin miners to dry beef jerky, that's a nice use of your miner, of course. And also we have the good news that Bitcoin Lightning capacity reached a new all-time high in USD. And again, JP Morgan here, you have this guy saying that Bitcoin is overpriced compared to its production cost. So is this good or bad? JP Morgan saying this now. Elon Musk also trolling again, talking about the value destruction of the US dollar after changing his profile picture to laser eyes. We told you everything about that in the last video, so you have to watch it if you missed that one. And what about the logo display on the Las Vegas Sphere? This is a Bitcoin being mainstream adoption. And this guy says, this is the view from my room. Hopefully we'll buy some condo in Las Vegas in 2025. Will be like this guy, crypto holders, just millionaires and billionaires, or maybe not. Are you greedy or are you fearful? Remember that we still have some trouble out there, like dollar going up. This is not good. Also, we have empty gox distributed Bitcoin, 5,000 Bitcoin allegedly are being transferred to different exchanges. You have here from Arkham again the addresses, so you can follow that. It seems it's happening. In any case, some people pointing out that nobody is really feeling that redistribution as we had with the German piece of information when they were selling. So this is bullish according to these people because we are having the distribution of this Bitcoin and price action still going up. So good, even though we still have this gap in the CME futures in 58,700. What do you think about that? And also, we have this resistance in the weekly that we need to break in the parallel channel for Bitcoin. Those are the bad ones. What do you think? Are we going to go up or down? And did you know the difference between cats and dogs? Here you have this guy. He drops his Bitcoin, and cats will eat the Bitcoin and they don't care about the guy whatsoever. What happens if we have a dog in the same situation? Well, the dog doesn't care about Bitcoin and is just concerned and worried about you. Amazing. This is the truth. What do you think about this? Tell me everything in the comments below and keep on learning maybe about AI in our channel dedicated to that, AI News. Or maybe if you want to more about crypto, well, just watch one of the videos we have here. We are so close to 1,900 videos, just 5 videos away for that point. So thank you very much all for being there. This is impossible without you, and we keep researching information to share it with you. On Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!